The recycling line for solar and photovoltaic modules enables the recovery and repurposing of materials from discarded or unused panels, such as silicon, glass, wiring, plastic, and aluminum, thanks to an advanced industrial process. The system efficiently recovers the components of photovoltaic panels. Each module can be broken down into reusable resources, approximately 15 kilograms of glass, 1 kilogram of silicon powder for the steel industry, 3.5 kilograms of aluminum, 300 g of plastic, and copper wiring. The fully automated process employs delamination technologies to separate components precisely, eliminating the need for manual intervention. The solar product line by Stokkermill aims to enhance the quality of recovered materials, accounting for up to 99% of the total panel weight. Notably, energy consumption per module never exceeds 1 kilowatt-hour, ensuring high efficiency with minimal environmental impact. Aluminum, recovered as proler, a material ready for industrial furnaces. Glass, separated through advanced sieving and classification technologies, ensuring high purity standards. Silicon, used primarily in the steel and metallurgical industries, EVA and PVC sheets. Materials separated and used as alternative fuels due to their high calorific value. Copper, recoverable from panels with electrical junction boxes. Other fractions may include metallic powders, with composition varying based on the specific panel type.